2016 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, leather, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.